This wig is from Caribbean Star Hair off of Amazon. It's a 13 by 4 straight 20-inch wig. It said it's an HD lace. The knots are pretty small and it was easy to bleach, but I never had an HD lace before, so I'm not really sure, but it looks like it. Okay, now I'm brushing back my edges with some edge booster, I think, and then I'm going to oil my scalp with castor oil. I have 18 braids in right now. They're just regular straight backs. I had them in for a while, so they look a little crusty, and I was being lazy, so I didn't feel like feeding them in the back, so that's why they're all hanging loose. Now I'm putting on my bald cap, and then I'm going to clean off my skin with alcohol. You normally don't want to use alcohol because that can irritate your skin, but the makeup wipes that I ordered from Amazon didn't come until after I put the wig on. After I clean off my skin, I pull my ball cap down to stretch it out so it could be easier to melt. And then I cut out the ear tabs, not the ear tabs, I cut out ear holes, but make sure you cut out really small holes so it doesn't rip all the way up. I'm going to use the foundation 220 to apply on my ball cap. I really don't know what foundation color I am. I have like 5 different ones and they never seem to be right. I normally use a cream foundation for other people, but this is the only one that was kind of closest to me, so I had to use a powder. It wasn't really going on the cap well. Now I'm going to spray the Boho Skin Guard on my skin, and then I'm going to let it dry. Now I'm going to cut out the ear tabs. I'm really not sure what that white stuff is on my skin. It kept getting everywhere. I had to wipe off my head so many times. I think it's from the Skin Guard, but I'm not sure. I used Boho Active to install this wig. I like to cut off the lace before I install the wig because I find it's easier to see where you're putting the glue and where you're putting the lace. And then I'm going to use makeup to outline where I want the wig. I already applied one layer because I was going to make a TikTok for it, but then it started getting clumpy on my forehead. I don't know why it did that, but it wasn't drying, so I just installed another layer on top of that. But when you're doing layers, make sure it gets completely dry, like clear, and make sure you use cold air, not warm air. I only did 3 layers, and while the 3rd layer was drying, I went ahead and wiped off the makeup line that I did, and then I blow dried it with cool air to make sure it was completely dry. The top of the head where it was sticking up and clumping together, that part didn't get completely dry. Now I'm going to lay my lace on top of the glue. You want to put the lace in front of the glue, not behind the glue, because if it's in front of the glue, you can put more glue if it's not stick down, but if it's behind, it's going to be a mess to clean up. But once you put the glue on, once you put the lace on top of the glue, you're going to press it down with your fingers, and you're going to use the comb to really press it down in. And then you're going to take a blow dryer, and you're going to blow dry it for like 5 to 4 minutes or so, and then use your fingers to really press it down. There are a few parts of the lace that didn't get in the glue, and I'm just going to cut those pieces off instead of re-gluing it. This is why you want to put the lace in front of the glue so you can easily fix it. Now that the lace is glued, I'm going to respray the skin guard over the lace to really melt it in. And then I'm going to use my elastic band and tie it real tight and let it sit for about 10 minutes. As you can see, the skin guard really helped melt the lace into my skin. My phone was being dumb and it deleted the clip of me putting mousse on my hair, but I put mousse on my hair and then blow dried it so I can make sure the top of my hair is flat. Turn up the heat spray on the top of my lace and used a wax stick, and then I went in with my hot comb to really get the top of my lace flat. I didn't record me doing my baby hairs because I was running out of storage, but this is the final look. I paid $109 for this. The hair is 150 density, so it's not that thick, but it's also not that thin. And here's a few videos and pictures of my hair.